So you want to do a pancake stretch. In this video, we're going to share a tip that won't only get you into a pancake, it's going to get your chest to the floor in record time. Now stick around till the end because we're also going to share our biggest take-home lesson that we've learned about mobility this year. All that and more coming up. We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image. Hey, and in case we haven't met before, my name's Yanni Baumeister. I'm the co-founder of Unity Gym and the Foundation Movement System. And we're the gym that measures health by how your body performs and feels, not just how it looks. So we teach you how to move and nourish instead of just exercise and diet. Let's go. So first of all, we're going to get Rad to demonstrate, and he does a lot of different types of stretching. He's doing some active stretching there. He also does weighted stretching with a weight plate on his back. He does passive stretching, but the big hack today is to do actual compression into the movement. So what we're going to do first of all is we've got two soft foam rollers, and you will need a couple of soft foam rollers. I will link them in the description so you can grab them easily. And what he's doing now is he's wedging the foam roller between his ribcage and his thigh, and he's squashing that foam roller as hard as he can. And he's going to do a rep for about 5 to 10 seconds, rest, and then go back into that stretch doing another 5 to 10 seconds. We're going to repeat that on both sides, and then we're going to go into the middle also, and we're going to do a stretch in the middle. The idea here is to really compress the body. Use your compression strength in your core, hip flexors, quads, and abdominals to compress that foam roller. And that's why it's important to have the soft foam roller, because it will squash easier like a piece of soft foam. Now Rad's going to demonstrate again in his passive mobility. So now he's just stretching himself over there, but he doesn't have to compress anything, so he can really test out how far he can get down. And you want to also make sure that you're comparable in the range of movement on both sides. Now Rad is going to demonstrate the forward compression drill, and we're using the wider 90 centimeter foam roller. These foam rollers are 15 centimeters, 150 millimeters in diameter, 900 millimeters in length. Now what Rad's doing there is he's wedging that foam roller under his stomach, and he's squashing the foam roller to the floor between his legs. And he wants to do this 2 or 3 times, holding the compression strength on for roughly 5 to 10 seconds. And he also wants to try to straighten his back and reach forward with his arms. So you're imagining a nice straight line between your spine, shoulders, and arms, and that's the goal. We obviously don't want to just roll forward, because that is not a true pancake. A true pancake, we keep a nice flat back and we get nice and low to the floor. And as you can see, after the compression drill, Rad's able to go a lot further. Remember, mobility is about removing restriction and inhibition from the body, removing the brain's inhibitors. And the best way to do that is through actually teaching the muscles to contract in that extreme end range of movement. So obviously there are heaps of ways of stretching, and this has really been our biggest take home over the last 12 months with our mobility training. We've learned that you can't just keep doing one thing and hope for a really great result. It just doesn't happen that way. And like your strength training, your stretching and mobility training needs to be periodized, meaning that as you plateau, you influence your body with new types of stimulus. Now, this compression strength drill in the mobility is just one way of breaking down those brain's inhibitors and allowing your body to break free of its restrictions. Remember, for some people, putting a weight plate on your back is going to set off an inhibitor. It's going to feel dangerous for your brain, and your brain will then tighten. The central nervous system will affect the muscles, and you will not be able to stretch forward like Rad was on the floor there. In which case, you may need to influence the body with a different stimulus. And this is a great tool and mobility hack that you can use to break through those plateaus. So that is our biggest take home this year. Try to use a variety of different tools when training for mobility, just like when you train for your strength. Now guys, if you need a program that helps you to continually progress in your mobility and flexibility, we have the ultimate program for you. And it starts right here with a free download of our flexibility blueprint. I'm gonna link it in the description. I'll also put links in there to affiliates of ours that sell these foam rollers so you can pick them up for a really great price and nice and easily. Until we meet next time in the gym, guys, get stretching, get on doing these mobility drills, and I hope to see an epic video of your pancake coming up soon. So you want to get a pancake stretch. In this video, we're not, sorry.
Yep.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Be a complete breakthrough for you, and I'm going on way too much. I fucked it up again.